morning students, welcome to biology class, and in the last class we already discussed about the mitosis, the phases of mitosis we discussed, and in that mitosis phases we discussed about the early prophase, late prophase, and also we discussed prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokinesis we discussed. In the prophase, what does it is going to be happen? The sister chromatids are going to be formed and the nuclear membrane and the nucleus are going to be disappear, we discussed. And next anaphase, metaphase, what we discussed, the meta plate is going to be observed, and in the anaphase we discussed the two poles of the centrioles are pull the chromosomes to each other with the help of centromere. And the next telophase, in this telophase the nuclear membrane and the nucleolus are going to reappear to form a cell division. And the last cytokinesis, we observed that a cell plate, actin ring is going to be appeared and the two cells are going to be divided from one cell. That we already discussed in the last session, and in this session we are going to be discussed about the meiosis. In this meiosis, meiosis, the 2n diploid cell, mother cell, is going to be divided into with the help of meiosis 1. It is divided into 1n, 1n. Okay? And after that, meiosis 2 process, the 1n is going to be divided into 4 haploid cells. How many cells? 4 haploid cells. And this is nothing but homologous separation of cells. Homologous separation of cells. Here the 2n nucleus splits into 1 plus 1, 2. In these 1 it is going to be divided into 2. It is going to be divided into 2. That is about the meiosis, and in these meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 are going to be occurred, and how it is going to be occurred in this we will see. These you should be remembered children. The diploid cells is going to be divided as a haploid cells. And now, if the meiosis wants to be cell divided, it will be divided into meiosis 1, meiosis 2, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In this meiosis, the first interphase will be started. Interphase is started. With this interphase, the phases of meiosis are going to be started. Means prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, cytokinesis 1. This is the stage of the meiosis 1, and the next from cytokinesis 2 again it will be start. The cell is going to be entered into meiosis phase 2, that is prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, and the last cytokinesis 2. This was, we need to be see the phases of meiosis. Which cells are going to be perform the meiosis process? These meiosis process we are going to be see in the only reproductive cells and eukaryotes. Where you may see this process? In the eukaryotes and reproductive organs. Where the reproductive organs are present for the formation of egg and sperm. For the formation of egg and sperm. Egg will be formed in female and the sperm is going to be formed in male. In these both the meiosis process are going to be happen. And next in the reproductive phases or reproductive organs only the meiosis process occur in human body, and all the other cells for repairing the damaged cells and for repairing the muscle cells and for the formation of increasing the muscle cells, the mitotic process is going to be occurred. And now we will see the meiosis 1 now. In the meiosis 1, first we need to be enter with the help of interphase. Interphase. What we see in the first in the mitotic phase, that only same. The two centrioles are formed. Nuclear membrane, nucleolus, and the chromosomes are present in a with the help of sister chromatids. Okay, the chromosomes are present with the help of sister chromatids. After this, it is going to be enter the prophase 1. In the prophase 1, what will be happen? The nuclear membrane starts to disappear. The nuclear membrane disappears and the two sister chromatids formed as a single stand, and the centrioles are went to opposite poles. That we are going to be seeing in the prophase 1. And next, metaphase 1. In the metaphase 1, the spindle fibers. Here the spindle fibers also forms now in the prophase itself. Here the chromosomes came to a near a plate. Metatic plate, metaplate. What does the steps, what does the division, what does the parts are going to be created and disappeared from mitotic to meiosis is same. Okay. And next, after mitotic plate, you are going to be entered into anaphase. In the anaphase, what does it happen? The opposite poles will be dragged the chromosomes no, with the help of spindle fibers. Yes. What does it here? The centromere is present, no? This centromere is helpful to hold the microtubule strong. Opposite direction it is going to be dragged. Opposite side. Like how in the mitotic anaphase. And next, after anaphase, what does it will be happen? Telophase 1. In this telophase 1, the chromosomal notch on the nuclear membrane reappears, nucleolus is present, and next the chromosomes will be divided. The chromosomes are divided. Nucleolus, nuclear membrane, reappears. Nucleolus, nuclear membrane reappears in the telophase 1. And next, after that, cytokinesis. Cytokinesis 1. In the cytokinesis, what does it is happen? The two cells are going to be formed. But this is one in nucleus, haploid cells. Two haploid cells are going to be released from the mother cell. That is a haploid cells. After this cytokinesis, it is going to be entered to the meiosis 2. Prophase 2. This prophase 2, the chromosomes attached to spindle fibers, the nuclear membrane starts disappear. Same was occurred in the meiosis 1 also. The nuclear membrane disappears and the nucleolus also disappear. Okay. And next, after the prophase 2, it will be goes to metaphase 2. In this metaphase 2, what does it is happen? The mitotic plate did you observe in the metaphase 2? And next, metaphase 2 it will enters into the anaphase 2. In the anaphase 2, what does it happen? The chromosomes, the centrioles are going to be pulled to the direction of to each other. That you may observe in the anaphase 2. After that anaphase, it will be entered into telophase. It will enter into the telophase 2. In this telophase, the two chromosomes here the nuclear membrane reappears, the nucleolus reappears, and the chromosomes are present. This is 1N, means haploid nucleus. We already discussed the phase will be entered from meiosis 1 to meiosis 2. The two cells will be divided. This is one cell actually. This was one cell and this was one cell. We discussed in the before now the two cells. The two cells itself will be enter the meiosis 2. The two cells will be divided like how in the meiosis 1 is going to be divided into meiosis 2. That's why I discussed it as like a mitotic and meiosis 1 will be as a meiosis 2. At the telophase time, I told to the two cells will be present. Why? Before also the two cells will be present. But for your understanding purpose, I drawed only one cell only. But the 2n is divided into 1n, no, at the time of meiosis 1. These 1n, these 1n. This is the 1n cell, this is the 1n cell. I just showed you only one cell with the help of anaphase, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2. And the telophase time, the two cells started division of 4 haploid cells. And next, last, cytokinesis. Cytokinesis 2. At the time, the 4 haploid cells are derived from with the help of nucleolus. These cells are unique cells, but genetically same, but unique means only the half cell only divided. That's why only the reproductive organs are going to be perform the meiosis process, but all the cells are going to be perform the mitotic process only. Yes children, in this session we discussed about the meiosis. The meiosis phase is going to be occur only in the reproductive organs, that is egg and sperm cells and also eukaryotic cells. This meiosis 1 is going to be divided into meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. When at the time of started meiosis 1, the interphase first will be started. First interphase, next prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, cytokinesis 1. When at the time of cytokinesis, two cells will be divided. These two cells are going to be perform the meiosis 2. These will be goes to the prophase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, metaphase 2. These cell will be goes to the prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. At the time of cytokinesis, from these two cells, 4 haploid cells are to be formed. That is about the meiosis process children, and in the tomorrow session we are going to be complete revision of this whole lesson are going to be done by tomorrow. Thank you children.